Giang, how are you? Thanks for welcoming us.
Oh, just here?
And shoo-shoo.
Yeah.
Come on, shoo-shoo, come on. Yeah, shoo. Nice to be here with you. You're so beautiful. It's so cool.
Oh, no, that my.
Walking towards the river now. Oh, Bom's taking us there. And Bom is in. Hey, hey.
If every step you take, you recite the mantra, Om Mani Padme Hum. By the time you get to the top, you will be really high. Lit up, it's kind of cool at night, huh?
Giang Cafe. This is the tallest coffee tree I've ever seen. I didn't even know they would get this tall. How old is the tree?
80 or 70 years old.
Thank you.
And what do? Stir it all up. But the thing is, normally they put the ice on the side.
Yeah.
So that you can stir in the sugar and the milk and then add the ice.
They do it a little bit differently in the north.
This is a Starbucks in Giang. 6 stories, luxury. There's even an aircon upstairs. Okay, first sip, Vietnamese style. Bitter. No, it's not a bad coffee though. Not bad.